my name is Lim Xiaoyi. My train number is 234365. My lecturer name is Madam Musrifa binti Mahmud. My supervisor name is Dr. Amran bin Ahmad. Today I am going to present about the requirement specification. Project title is the Submatic Calculators SC. For the introduction, this system is about the calculation, for example, IPv4 and IPv6. This system also provides an explanation of the calculation. However, this system also provide a tutorial is very suitable for the beginner students to learning the process subnet. And the last one is requirement. This system is provide a functional and non-functional requirement. I will present it later on. The next one is proposed. This system will be developed because this is easy to calculate the subnet and fast learning. It's easy to understand it. And this system will be ensure the IP network work effectively. Okay. The next one is the scope. This system will be is a web-based system and support for the IPv4 and IPv6. This system subnet calculator also is an open platform system. Everywhere, anytime can use it. And this system do not provide the function to ping. For example, IPv4 and IPv6 cannot provide the ping function. And the last one is do not fully support for the mobile view. This is because it is a web-based system. For the next one is a user. Our user is student. Anyone can use it. And user can use register and log in the system. And also your user can calculate the subnet using this system. The last one, user also can view the tutorial of the subnet and easily to understand the subnet process. The next is assumption and dependencies. Assumption is about we assume the user has a basic level of the networking knowledge, and we also assume user understand English language in the system. The next one is dependencies. This system is depend on the several programming language, for example, PHP language, HTML, JavaScript, and CSS language. And this system independence the internet to access the system. The next one is requirement. This project provides the 16 mandatory and the 4 optional. This got the functional requirement and non-functional requirement. For the functional requirement, user can log in and log out the system and can register a new account. The important thing is calculate IPv4 subnet. It can display the result, display the subnet details, and the explanation. Okay. The next one is calculate IPv6 subnet. Is same with the IPv4. Display the result, display the subnet details, and explanation. The user also can learn the tutorial, can view and display the tutorial panel. The non-functional requirement, the first one is reliability issues. When the system is crashed and can perfectly normally when the reloading again. The usability issues, the system can automatically calculate when the user insert the IP address. And the third one is performance. The system can automatically calculate and the result can display within the 5 seconds. And security, the user can log in and log out the system. And the last one is error handling. When the user insert wrong password and the username, the system will pop up the error message. The next one is the system model. The system can overflow like run, register, login, and next IPv4 subnet calculator. The user also can display the IPv6 network, IPv6 subnet calculator, and the last one is tutorial. This is the activity diagram for the calculation and the tutorial. This is the decision, and the user can select the IP address generator for the choose IPv6 and the IPv4. When the user choose IPv4, can insert the information and the information for the IPv4 here, and the IPv6 will be insert the IP information in below here. and the user choose the tutorial will be displayed the tutorial panel. The next one is a use case diagram. My actor is one only the user, and it can calculate the IP, can choose calculate the IPv4 subnet and calculate IPv6 also, and also can display the tutorial panel. And user is required to the login, logout, and register the account. The next one is use case description. This is, for example, the IPv6 subnet calculator, and user can enable to calculate IPv4 subnet and to display the result, which are subnet detailed explanation of calculation and reset the inserted information. This precondition user has already accessed the system and stay at the main menu panel, and this is for the user only. And basic flow, the user click the IP address generator in the main menu, and this system will display the IPv4 subnet calculator panel, and the user will be insert the IP address and show the system will be show the result. They got the 5 alternative. There is the subnet detail, reset, main menu, logout, and IPv6 subnet calculator. The next one is the post condition. The system shall display the result either for the network address, host, and broadcast address when it is the inserted IP information by the user. The next one is the user able to view the subnet details and explanation of the calculation. The system rules is users are compulsory to fill in the IP address information, and cross-section is not applicable. This is the use case diagram for the IPv4 subnet calculator. The user is required to click the IP address generator and will be required to insert IP information and display the subnet result will be here. And this one is a 5 alternative for the IPv4 subnet calculator. This is the class diagram. They got the 5 controller. There is the logout controller, login, and IPv4 calculator controller, tutorial, IPv6, and the register account. This is the interface prototype. Okay, the user should be create a new account here and click the create new account. Insert username information and register now. Okay, next one is a username. The user is required to insert the username and password. If the error message, it will show this one row username, and click the OK will be login. And IP address calculator, the user inserted the IPv4 address in here, and click the calculate will be show result here. Click the subnet detail will be explained here, and explain details and step by step will be explained. And next is the example topology for explain the subnet process. And the next one is IPv6 subnet calculator. User required to insert the network address and subnet mask and calculate. The result will be displayed in the panel and explain. Click here. Explanation will be shown and close. And this one is go back to the main menu. Tutorial will be for navigation will be shown. This is the tutorial part, and go back to tutorial menu, and also this one is tutorial menu will be shown. And the last one is a video. The user required to play the video at here, and more details need to understand logout. Okay, that's all, and thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.